Hi techies, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss with you about typecasting. What is typecasting? What types are it contains? How can we perform the typecasting in our programs? Okay, that all stuff I will going to discuss with you in this video. Before going that, if you don't subscribe my channel, please do subscribe and hit on bell icon for more updates and videos. Let's move on to the topic. What is typecasting? Typecasting is nothing but to converting the one data type into another data type, one primitive to another primitive, one reference to another reference. Okay, what are primitive data types? Primitive data types are short, byte, int, long, char, float, double and boolean. These are all primitive data types. Primitive data types. What are reference data types? Reference data. What are reference data types? Reference data types are all classes, arrays, string, etc. These are all reference data types. In typecasting, we are converting the one data type into another data type. One data type into another data type. We can perform this typecasting in two ways. One is implicit and explicit. Okay, implicitly, explicitly. How we can perform these two? I am explaining with an examples. What is implicit typecasting? Implicit typecasting means we are converting lower data type into higher data type. What is explicit? Higher data type, reverse. Higher data type to lower data type. For example, byte b equal to 2. Okay, byte b equal to 2. I am taking a byte value 2. Here I am assigning this byte value to integer value. See, in this case, the byte data type is lower than int data type. In this case, the byte data type is lower than int data type. That's why there is no problem here. This is a valid case. Like this, we are implicitly typecast the lower data type into higher data type. If suppose I am taking integer equal to 10. Okay, I am assigning this I value to long. Long. Here integer data type is lower than long data type. Like this, we are implicitly typecast the lower data type into higher data type. For example, I am taking a variable, long variable L equal to 100. Okay, L equal to 100. Here I am this L value assigning to I value, integer value. In this case, long is higher than int. This is a not valid. Why? Because we are assigning the higher data type to int lower data type. While we are assigning the higher data type into lower data types, we are explicitly typecast here, like int I equal to integer in bracket integer L. Okay, this long value is converted into integer value, and then we are assigning this value to integer variable. Like this, we are explicitly typecast the higher data type to lower data type. For example, another example, I am taking a double value d is equal to 4.5. Okay, I am assigning this double value to float. D, but double is higher than float, so we are explicitly typecast the double value, like in parenthesis. Like this we are explicitly typecast the double value into float value. Like this we are perform the implicit and explicit typecasting based on our converting the data types. If suppose we are converting lower data type to higher data type, we are using implicit typecasting. If suppose we are converting higher data type to lower data type, we are using explicit typecasting. Like this we perform the typecasting by using implicit and explicit typecasting methods. Okay, thank you for watching.